A very good morning, dear students. Welcome to English class. As I told you before that today we are going to revise the next poem of Hornbill book, and here is the poem of childhood, which is written by Marcus Netton. In this video today you will receive only the summary of this poem, okay, and I will send you an assignment also related to this poem in which you will find out some extracts. Okay, so here is the summary of poem childhood. As I defined you earlier that childhood is written by Marcus Netton. In this poem the poet thinks over his lost childhood. Marcus Netton, he is thinking over his lost childhood. How he lost? Okay, you will find out later. He wonders about the moment where he lost the innocence and realized that the world is not what he seemed it to be. Okay, so he wonders about the moment where he lost the innocence. Okay, he was very surprised how he lost his childhood and where he lost the innocence of a childhood time period. So he recalls when his thoughts changed and he realized the hypocrisy of the people. Hypocritic people कौन होते हैं? Okay, one who says something else, okay, but does something else. So okay, so what happened here? He recalls when his thoughts changed and he realized the hypocrisy of the people around him. जब उसको ये realize हो गया that people are quite different, okay, their action are quite different from what they are saying. So he finally settled down to the idea that his childhood went to some forgotten place. सो उसने अपना माइंड एक ऐसा मेकअप बना लिया और क्या उसने सोचा दैट हिज चाइल्डहुड हैड गॉन टू सम फॉरगॉटन प्लेस एंड इट इज़ हिडन इन द फेस ऑफ एन इनोसेंट इन्फेंट. चाइल्डहुड टाइम पीरियड एक्चुअल में कहाँ हाइड हो गया है, कहाँ छुप गया है? इट इज़ हिडन इन द फेस ऑफ एन इनोसेंट इन्फेंट. इन्फेंट क्या होता है? एक छोटा बच्चा. सो इन दिस पोएम you will find out this brief. Okay, so we are going to discuss about childhood poem, and here you have noticed that the poet is wondering about the moment, okay, where he had lost the innocence, where he had lost the childhood, and he finally realized at some moment that world around him is not just like the same as he seemed it to बी. जैसा वो चाहता है वैसा वो वर्ड उसके चारों तरफ नहीं है. एंड ही फाइनली रियलाइज दैट पीपल आर हिपोक्रेटिक. सो हियर इज द कंप्लीट समरी ऑफ द पोएम. In this poem, the poet wonders when he lost his childhood and the innocence he had. Generally, we say that the childhood time period has innocence in it. Okay, तो वो wonder कर रहा है poet, and where he and when he lost his childhood and the innocence, he became conscious that he no longer sees the world as he did earlier. जैसा वो पहले देखा करता था अब वो वर्ड को पहले की तरीके से नहीं देख रहा, क्योंकि चाइल्डहुड टाइम पीरियड में बच्चों को इतना ज़्यादा नॉलेज नहीं होती. Okay, and now the poet had become so conscious and he can sense the hypocrisy in the people. So he recalled many instances in his life where he could have lost his childhood. He wondered, okay, और उसको क्या रियलाइज कर रहा है? क्योंकि he realized and he was recalling many examples in his life कि कहाँ पर उसका जो चाइल्डहुड टाइम पीरियड है कहाँ पर खो सकता है, कहाँ पर गुम हो सकता है. So he wondered if it was the day he ceased to be 11, कि क्या ये एक ऐसा एज टाइम पीरियड था जब वो 11 ईयर्स का हो गया था, कि क्या वो चाइल्डहुड टाइम पीरियड तब चला गया था. और he realized that when hell and heaven did not exist in this world, जब उसको ये फैक्ट रियलाइज हुआ कि hell और heaven they could not be found there in the map of geography and no one could find them in the geography, कि कोई भी hell और heaven को geography पे हम नहीं ढूंढ सकते. जब ये चीज़ हमें रियलाइज हो जाती है, हम बड़े हो जाते हैं, तब पोएट को लगा it was the time that he lost his childhood. So he was recalling some moments, some examples in his life when he could have lost his childhood. Next, he talks about the possibility when he realized that adults are not what they seemed to be and they are हिपोक्राइट्स. हिपोक्रेट्स क्या होते हैं, अभी मैंने आपको डिफाइन किया ना, दैट वन हु प्रिटेंड्स टू बी सो पोलाइट. ओके, जैसे हमारे पेरेंट्स होते हैं, समटाइम्स दे से समथिंग एल्स, ओके, बट देयर एक्ट आर क्वाइट डिफरेंट फ्रॉम देयर सेइंग्स. तो उनके एक्शंस थोड़े से चेंज हो जाते हैं. ओके, तो उनको हिपोक्रेटिक्स बोला जाता है. तो वो कह रहा है कि जब मुझे ये चीज़ रियलाइज़ हो गई दैट अडल्ट्स आर हिपोक्राइट्स एंड दे टॉक एंड प्रीच ऑफ लव. वो बात तो किसके बारे में करते हैं, हमें लेसन देते हैं लव के बारे में, बट देयर एक्शंस डोंट से सो, बट देयर एक्शंस आर क्वाइट डिफरेंट फ्रॉम देयर सेइंग्स. वॉज इट द डे व्हेन ही रियलाइज दैट हिज माइंड वॉज हिज ओन. कि क्या ये वही दिन था जब उसको ये रियलाइज हो गया दैट हिज माइंड वॉज हिज ओन and he was capable of producing his own thoughts. No one could own that, and he is an individual. So he is an individual with his particular personality. So in this poem we are talking about that how Marcus Nutton, how the poet, he was realized all the in different instances in his life, that when and where he could have lost his childhood, कि कहाँ पर उसका जो childhood है वो ख़त्म हो सकता है. Was it the day when he ceased to be 11? Was it the day when he realized that his mind was his own? Was it the day when the poet realized the fact that adults are not the same what they seemed to be? Okay, was it the day when the poet realized that they are hypocrite? Okay, so he was recalling some instances in his life, some examples in his life, that was it the day when he realized that his mind was his own, and was it the day when he was capable of producing his own thoughts? Okay, so यहाँ पर poet क्या कर रहा है, he was remembering all the examples of his life, कि कहाँ पर उसका जो childhood है वो खो सकता है, कि क्या वो 11 years का हो गया था तब उसको ये fact realize हुआ. Was it the day when he realized that hell and heaven, they could not be found in the map of geography? Means, was it the day when he would have become mature? So in the last stanza he talks about the whereabouts of his childhood, कि कहाँ पर उसका एक्चुअल में जो चाइल्डहुड टाइम पीरियड है कहाँ चला गया. अर्लियर ही वॉज टॉकिंग अबाउट व्हेन, टाइम, and now he was talking about where. He concludes that, okay, finally he concludes, leaving all the points behind. Okay, he was making the last and final point here, that it had gone to some forgotten place. Means his childhood had gone to some forgotten place, and it can only be found in the innocent face of an infant. और हम उसको कहाँ पर ढूंढ सकते हैं, एक छोटे बच्चे, एक इन्फेंट के इनोसेंट फेस पर. Okay, because we cannot go back to our lifetime. So this is it with today's lecture. Childhood poem, you have to revise it. Thank you.